Good morning, I'm Helen and I'm going to show you how I make my morning shake. It's really a tale of two halves because really it's half of everything. I put half a glass of milk. I'm using coconut almond milk blend. Half a glass of water. It's very simple. A little bit of ice. Half a banana. We only really need half, so we can give the rest to whoever you want to give it to. Come here, Sam. Next, I do 1 scoop of WellnessPro chocolate powder for women. 1 chocolate scoop and 1 vanilla scoop. You can really do it all in vanilla or all in chocolate. I just like the swirl of both flavors. Okay. Close the top and blend for 10 seconds.